Multiple phones, hurry up.
What the fuck?
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Get out! Get out!
Hello everybody, welcome back to another Minecraft video. Today we'll be watching gay porn and playing the Jenny mod. Woo 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 woo! Jenny mod. I'm gonna give her 10 emeralds for gay sex.
Guys, today we are with a new character.
Howdy partners.
This is Spieth.
It's me, Spieth. Oh, you cheeky devil.
And today, we're not just here
What are
for
we doing?
no reason.
Tell me, what are we doing?
We're here in front of Dan Murphy's, but it's got nothing to do with that. We're here
I drink alcohol.
for an abandoned train video. This is gonna be
Train.
fun.
Train sound.
So guys, we just found the other two, and we're on our way to this quote unquote abandoned train. This is apparently a very, very big train. Ha!
Howdy.
Here we are we?
Wait, so why don't they
Here we are we?
unabandoned?
Here we are we?
Leave it there.
Here we are we? Bro, what the fuck are you doing? We haven't even gone inside yet, and is that a fucking cat?
I think I found something. A chair.
Our thumbnail.
No. We should take it home.
I think I'm done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Probably stop our lights as much because like there's people watch. Alright guys, going into the first carriage. Oh. Can we push open some of the doors?
No.
What happened to this train anyway?
What
We're
happened?
currently
Freak Bob was here.
in an abandoned train. This is that a laptop or what is it?
It's a fucking window. Oh my god.
This there's toilet paper on the ground.
Stinky. You know what?
Someone pooted.
You know that
Whoa.
Can't see what's in there. Oh, it's just a bag.
what does this say? F game gamer. We should
Open the toilet.
Go on the toilet.
Oh!
Look at that.
What?
Oh! Oh! Yeah, there's a bunch of shit in there.
Oh!
Yeah, everyone get your camera in there. Let's not. Oh, it smells. I can smell
Oh,
it.
that's gross.
Nah, alright. Wait, can we kick the door open to the next carriage or what? Spieth!
Antonio, do we have to go out to go into the next one? Or
Yeah, we have to get out.
Oh. Wait, can you at least try? I can hardly see in there. You could. Oh, yeah, let's go. Alright, we're going to the next carriage. Oh, it's ass.
You're more stronger.
What does that mean?
It means if there's somebody that comes, you've got them covered, mate.
Okay. Nice ass. Where's the toilet in this one? Oh, there's toothbrushes. Someone's got to be living here. Oh, hey, look, there's a swaggy. I mean, not a swag, a fucking sleeping bag. I can guarantee someone's been living in here. What did I miss up here? I went alone.
Elmer's going.
Wait,
Oh my god, he got freaky.
no, can I?
You wanna hit it?
Can I?
It won't break, it's tempered.
Oh. You sure?
Yeah, that's pretty.
That is tough glass, man.
Yeah, mate.
I didn't hit it hard.
Hit it. Told you.
Oh, fuck that.
And a shirt.
What is this shoe?
Dang.
I wonder how much that shit worth.
Probably $2 on TV.
Could you try and pull that door open? Or is there another way to get in this carriage? Won't open at all.
Did you cut your hand?
No, I didn't. Hardly.
Hardly. Let me see. Oh my god, you have AIDS.
Oh.
Fire extinguisher.
Fuck yeah.
Is it busted?
Wait, press the thing up.
See if it works.
Fucking idiot. You sure we can't find any way to get into that carriage? Alright guys, I think this one's off. Nah, I'm going through there to get into that carriage. I have to. Strictly no authorized access. Oh no.
You can't get into that one.
Alright,
Oh fuck, that's it.
good.
You just did the curtain just scare you. What curtain?
What curtain?
On the floor. You said, oh, that's scared. What are you doing?
No, he said, oh, it hurt me.
Oh, I thought you said.
Oh, I'm swimming. Hang on.
Oh my god. Do you want me to hold your phone?
No, it's alright. Got it. Give me more meat, Wacker.
Yeah, what is me?
My meat beater. Can we go in here?
I'm pretty sure Antonio would have tried, mate.
No, we can climb over that. If someone takes their bag off, will someone go in there?
No, not really.
Oh, I just got hit in the face with glass. Huh?
Yeah, that was Ashton.
Yeah.
Why are you not coming up on this
That was
one?
some naked fucking dude.
Okay, bro.
Scoot.
The old woman on the seat. Right there.
Oh, look.
Bro, he just ripped his phone.
Shit.
Look at this other person.
Nobody's.
Why didn't
Bro.
nobody react?
No one's scared.
Serious?
Even I'm not. That's saying something.
Here we are.
Really?
No.
Oh, that one actually felt heavy.
What was it?
Fire extinguisher.
That's not the pin. No.
Keep going.
I know some jitsu. I keep tripping over shit. Oh, the door's on the floor for the toilet. There's another opening.
True though. We'll go at that one, I reckon.
Smarties. They're full. It's full.
Real Smarties?
Oh, it stinks.
Oh no, this one's
Oh,
What's in that one?
more shit and it stinks. Oh, no. No, there's actually shit in that. Oh my god, nah, I don't.
Shine a light, Ashton. I'm going down.
Alright,
See that being cut too.
bro, just jump.
I'm not a quick as young as
Pussy. Bro, you're 9 months older than me. Doesn't mean shit. New carriage?
How was
you.
that?
Still haven't recovered from that smell. Fuck.
Yeah, that smell fucking reeked. Hang on. Does someone...
Hang on a minute. This could look at that. Is that caution?
Oh my god, something. Up you get, next person.
Alright.
Righto.
Oh, I just thought of a new pro tip, guys, for safety reasons. What the fuck is he doing? Let's always check the closest side first in case they're out there.
Just hang on, let's yeah, there's a mess.
I got my super duper light.
We're currently on the fourth, I think.
I swear if someone's in here.
I'm checking underneath too.
If you find a stick, pull it out, because I don't have a weapon in hand.
Don't go to the toilet anymore. That's fucking gross.
Every toilet is...
Yeah.
This one doesn't have a toilet.
No, that actually.
It's only every second one does.
There's the next room.
True.
That has a toilet.
True. I told you every second one.
Shut up. I keep tripping over shit. What's that? Oh, fire extinguisher, please. Oh, it doesn't even have a thing. Alright, can I go first to this one? Yeah, I'm going first.
You always go first, don't you?
Dr. Smolder Bravestone, profession.
What does not know what we're on about? Bro, we're halfway. Nearly.
Give me a minute.
I should hold on to it. Yeah, right, okay. No, that's good.
Ready? Oh, look, cups. Are you guys ready? It's time. Don't go that way. You come here. I want to open this one. Oh, hi. Get up. Let's all get ready.
No,
this one is going to be fun. Ah!
It's closed.
Oh, fuck.
Open it.
No.
What's your foot?
Oh, there's a door.
That one isn't that bad, although it looks a bit.
Oh,
Nope.
yeah, it's just toilet paper.
That's boring. What I mean?
The toilet's the funniest part.
Keep going, man.
The toilet's the scariest part of the entire fucking. Yes, I'll go in there.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yes.
It actually scared me.
I'll go in there.
I'll follow behind.
My mate beta. There's a hanging lock.
We. Oh. This must be the captain's room.
Another room in there.
Where do we go at that one there?
What?
That one there?
Yeah. Hang on, let me just see first.
What is this?
I doubt it will work. Let me just. Wait, look. You can open the doors, you idiot.
Most of them are locked, you twat.
Oh my fucking god.
The ones in the previous characters are locked.
There's another way out.
We just walk through.
We'll go out that way if we can't get through that door.
Chat.
Toilet.
Oh, fuck no.
Oh, you know, it's tradition at this point, guys.
Just open it, mate.
They took it.
Oh, why is it always the shut doors that are boring?
Alright.
We're leaving this carriage here.
Comic rack.
Just jumps in there.
Almost there, guys.
Bro, I don't think. If this
What do you
is
mean
fucking-
almost there? We've still got tons of carriages to go.
Right. I should cut it here to see
The
if
club,
shut the
we
fuck
all
up.
the fam.
We all fam. In the club. I should cut it here and see if I can use Snapchat Flash. Actually.
We'll get up.
Toilet, and it doesn't have a handle. It doesn't have a handle. I repeat, it doesn't have a handle.
What about down that way? Anything down there?
Yeah, there's more chairs and shit.
Wanna...
I'm opening the toilet first. This one I want you to personally record me opening this one, Simo.
I am personally.
On my phone. Multiple phones, hurry up. Let's take a
What
shit.
the fuck?
Are we ready?
We're ready.
What? We are always watching. That's fucked. Jinkies.
I can make bait that thing.
What?
Ashton,
Mate bait it. Mate bait it.
no, the flimsy part, you malaka. Is that you, Matt? What? The watch. Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Yeah.
What are we going to next? This one?
Next one.
Alright, let's go.
Oh,
What was that?
that was me.
Oh.
Sorry. Cut off abruptly.
Oh, shivers.
The next
Shivers, 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 shivers. Come, come, come. Does not come. But that's caused by cum.
Is there a toilet on this one?
Yeah, do you need a piece?
No.
Oh. Let the others get up.
What does that say?
Get up, boys, get up. What?
What? Nothing. I was just saying.
This will determine if there is some scary scaries. Yeah, why? Do you want a piece?
Oh no.
What?
No.
What?
I can just smell it already.
Oh,
Oh, this is probably gonna prepare us for like. Oh no, there is no toilet.
oh wow.
Hang on. Here we go.
I'll hold that for you, big dog.
Worst comes to worst, open it from the inside out.
There we go.
You get the door.
We're just touching it here. It feels like it's not in there. It is.
What's that red thing up at the end of that one? This one's got a toilet. I'm still waiting for some cunt to just jump out at us.
Is there any way out of this one?
We'll kiss him.
Yeah.
We'll treat him.
There's 4 of us and 1 of them.
There's one escape plan right there if anything happens.
G'day, mate.
That's us. Wait, toilet.
Alright. I'm done with the big rewards. Just let's get. Does this one stink? No, it doesn't.
Oh, it's just shit.
Oh no, it stinks.
No, there's no.
Doesn't even have a handle.
Right,
No, I got it. Where? Bro, why are you walking away? You can open this one. I'm already in here.
Ashton,
Yeah,
how do you do this?
just do that. You don't know how to open a fucking door.
True. So,
This way. Why does this one look like it's got actually shit in it? Oh, last toilet. I repeat, guys, last toilet. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot.
oh, that smells pretty.
Wait, what's in that?
Oh.
This one smells.
What do you reckon? Ashton?
Oh!
Let's see.
You didn't say, bro.
Hang on, let's go to the second last can.
Oh, let me see.
No, it's
Oi.
Oh.
yeah.
So much shit on the floor, bro. So much paper. So much paper and a chair.
What do you reckon, Ashton? Antonio?
Oh, you guys. Wait, come on, we gotta break.
We made it. How do you feel?
I didn't even get to see. Move.
How do you feel, Ned? We're at the last pair on.
Do you reckon we can get out this door?
Nope.
Nah.
What's in there?
Yeah, let's get out of here. Mate, we've just got to select from the place we're on.
Alright, guys. This is the very end of our video. Pussy! Oh, fuck. You're a fucking idiot. Oh, fuck you.
That's sweet and sour sauce.
Yeah.
Like, give us a taste.
Get out! Get out! Hey, get up! You guys are pussies. Never would I thought that tonight I'd be running on a train. Like and subscribe, guys. Please do.